How to turn on or turn off optimize battery charging on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on battery. After that, tap on charging. Then in here, tap on optimize battery charging. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn it off, you can choose turn off until tomorrow or simply just turn off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And it said that when the charge limit is set to 100%, allow iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% into the time you need to use it. And that's it. Finally, just swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.